asthmatic, all the smoke that I be dragging. Bitch, I need some gas for my fucking lungs. They fucking damage like the black flag. Classics, have you never heard of that shit? Bitch, I work it, ain't for asses. Roll a solo bundle matching. It's because of all the gadgets. Why I keep the social status. Fucking phones and tablets. Bitch, I do this shit just for FA. Yeah, he told me make it happen. Then he died in that tragic car crash. And every time I think of that, I'm flicking ashes. Yes, so when you realize life is passing, I'm a fucking cashless organism trying to thrive inside a habitat.
That motherfucker that your mama said don't hang with. Meet me in the gallows, bitch, I promise that it's painless. Stupid motherfuckers thinking that we on the same shit. Cocky back and then I yell, okay, here comes the pain, bitch. Open gates of paradise, can give a fuck about your life. Every time I roll the dice, sixes popping up twice. Bitches trying to sacrifice their pussy, but I am not enticed. Good try, ho. I do this shit for dirt, so I ain't got the time, ho. Don't like nobody, and I think that's all you need to know. Walk in the water while I'm surrounded by some crows. And when I hit the other side, I'm blowing on some
I'm from the land of the low life. Rather just die and have no life. Scrapping up stresses to get by. Baking up runners to get high. Popping up summers, I'm too fried. Bitches won't fall, but I'm too tired. We run from the cops, keep the shoes down. Got the nine on me, bitch, don't you need drunk. That's the way I like to strut. Slow ride there with the tear goes up. That's the way I like to fuck. With the fucking home love, make that shit enough. Bitch, I really love the love. What you doing, little slut? Oh, they call me young blood, yeah, care with that with me. But I'm bugging in the couple show my face when I'm in public. I love to take a couple feel like motherfuckers plugging in it. Then I purchase every single motherfucking drug. And take the what you rock. Jump me 60 till I'm coming down. We watch it with my fucking gun.
I already drowned. 340.
Hey, brother, I didn't get you. I didn't get you. Are you serious?
You hit my gun.
Huh?
You hit my gun, bro.
Does that count? Hit the gun?
Gun counts don't hit.
Yo, what the fuck?
Here's a little context for this last clip. As I push up, on my left side, there's a guy behind this black barrier. He shoots over my head, but it says he got me. We exchange words. He threatens to meet me outside. I asked him if he wanted to fight a vet. He said he was just kidding, but this is that clip.
No shot, no shot. You didn't hit me. I'll call it, but you didn't hit me.
Hey, bullshit, man. Meet me outside, buddy. All right, good.
You gonna fight a veteran?